Hey guys, I'm Jess, Heat Stroke Trennepohl, and I don't just make chili, I make memories and trauma. Dylan's chili is like his marriage. Allie does all the work, and he takes all the credit. Drew's chili, it smells like a taxidermy shop caught on fire. When they announce the winner, don't worry, I'll try to act surprised. If you want a bowl of chili that tastes like disappointment and missed opportunities, Jeffrey's your guy. You don't win a chili cook-off against me, you survive it.
All right, Jess, what are you going to do with your winnings?
Well, of course, I'm going to invest it. Speaking of which, I am one of the finance managers here at Walnut Ridge. So some of the things that we do have is that we do have the best lenders that are out there in the RV industry. We have our Camp Today program that we can get you set up the same day. We have some of the best rates that are going out there right now. So as far as Saturday, come out, enjoy our open house. Remember, Jess, Heat Stroke Trennepohl, going to take the win.